Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening FL Studio and going straight to Options Audio Settings to address no sound. First, pick an SEO driver because Windows Direct Sound often mutes or stalls audio. SEO gives exclusive, low-latency output. Next, set the audio device to your interface or speakers. The wrong device is a common silent culprit. Finally, choose 44,100 or 48,000 Hz sample rate so plugins and projects match. Mismatched rates can cause silence or clicks. Once the driver and device are set, adjust buffer size to around 128 to 512 samples to stop dropouts while keeping latency reasonable. Too small causes X runs, too large delays sound. Then confirm input/output routing in audio settings matches the physical interface channels you intend to use. In FL Studio's mixer, make sure the master track's output is assigned to the same device and channel. Incorrect routing is another frequent reason you hear nothing even though playback is running. To finish, disable safe overloads and close other apps that can seize the audio device. Windows audio managers sometimes block FL Studio. Load a simple 3x OSC, route it to a mixer channel, and solo the master to confirm sound. This isolates project issues from system issues. If silence persists, restart FL Studio, toggle between SEO and FL SEO, or reinstall SEO for also drivers reset. One key troubleshooting tip. If audio works in the OS but not FL, the master.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.